Hello, my friend. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some items to share with you today. Now, the first one is a stamp and die set that we really always need, unfortunately, because so many of us love our pets, and unfortunately they usually don't last as long as we do, and they pass away, and our friends are really sad when that happens to them, and we're really sad when that happens to us. So this stamp set unfortunately is one that we need, but it's a really, I really like this one. So it's a rainbow bridge one, and it says, no matter, I can't read upside down. No longer by your side, but forever in your heart. Cherished friends are never forgotten. No matter how long we get to love them, it's never long enough. So sorry for your loss. And the rainbow here is just absolutely beautiful. It's a cute little bridge, and you can see the little water down below, and there's trees, and there's like doggies and kitties going over the bridge. And it's sad, but you know what? It's one we always need to do. Now, I always recommend any sympathy type cards you make when you're happy and you don't need them. Then when you need one, you're not in the mood to really make a card, right? But you'll already have them done. I know, it's kind of a win-win, right? Well, of course, there's dies that match. And I even included some little birdie dies extra just in case, because you know, sometimes you want those. And I have some good samples to share with you on those. Now, along those lines, most of you already have the Pray strips to stamp. This one was very popular. It has pray on it, pray over it, pray through it. No prayer is too small, pray more, and different things that you can mix and match, right? Well, we're now coming out with the word pray that you can die cut these letters out as well, okay? Those big letters. Now, you're looking at all these fun strips, and in the past we had our little strip dies. Well, we've added more strip dies because Stephanie didn't have enough. And so I've added these two dies that are tons and tons of strips. So you're gonna have every which way. They're little banners. There's some that have banners like pointy ends on one and straight on the other. Lots and lots of options on here. How many options? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And a lot of them you can layer on top of each other, okay? Great for all of our layering dies and all of our strip dies, right? Now, also not to be outdone, we have the pray, we also have the baby, the smile, and the Jesus. And I'm gonna show you those some of those stamp sets in just a second if you don't have them already. Last but not least, by popular demand, a sewing machine fold it. We've had this request quite a bit lately, and I finally said, okay, I'm just gonna squeeze it in on that release schedule, and I got it in. So lots of samples. Now, before I show you my samples, I wanna show you how I am storing my banner dies and stamps, because I kind of think it's important. So we'll go on the overhead, and here are the dies that we are selling, that are being released right now. This is the original strip dies that were in the reverse corner slimline dies. So I've put them all together, so I have them on one of Tiffany's big magnets. Then I have my dies that have all the words. So I have pray, Jesus, smile, baby. I also have the big pray from the statement set and beautiful from the statement set, because those came with stamps also, right? You are beautiful. Beautiful people are, happy people are beautiful people. And then also on this one, pray more, worry less, pray without ceasing. And these also, the statement dies will also fit, the statement stamps will also fit on these strips, right? Okay, but then we came out with all of these. So here we have, you are a child of God. You are a superstar. You are beautiful. Or be resilient, be smart, be strong. All of these, again, will fit on our new strip dies. Again, we have more. Smile, baby. We have one that says Jesus. So we have smile. Life is better with a smile. The best curve on a woman is a smile. Welcome, baby, to the world. Little one, baby, congratulations. Such a sweet baby. Miracle baby, beautiful baby. Twins, I even got on there. Of course I did, right? Okay, lots of options. So I store all of these, even my statement words, all of those in one Tiffany envelope. So all of my strips are together. I have access to all of them. Actually, not all of them are in here, but I grabbed as much as I could to show you how they would fit in here, okay? So just an option. Now, let's look at some of our samples. Here is a cute one on our little rainbow bridge with an A1 card, which is really cute. And look, on the back it's decorated, "So sorry for your loss." You can cut off those trees to use them separately if you like. So they're on the front and then they're also on the back, which is beautiful. Here's a pretty one, "So sorry for your loss." Open it up. No matter how long we get to love them, it's never long enough. Here's a sweet one. Look at this. And this one, I like this because there's no water under this one. This one just has grass under it. So you can change that as much as you want. Here's a cute one. And it's just sweet. Oh, here's one using our paw print stamp. Because, you know, sometimes you just need that little extra love when something like that happens. And, you know, again, make sure you make these when you don't need it so you're not in a sad mood. So sorry for your loss. Now, let's look at some of those banner dies by themselves. Look at this, my friends. Use those banner dies just as dies. You don't even have to stamp on top of them. Look at that background. Remember, I always talk about the backgrounds. Look at how fun that is. Imagine not having that on there and it would just be plain, right? But it just adds so much. Here's another one adding those strip dies, not even stamping on them. Happy birthday out of scratch patterned paper. Isn't that fantastic? Now here's a cute one with our sewing machine. Oh, so beautiful. Black foil sewing machine. Love it. Now that's on an A2 size card. You can also do it as a regular folded if you want to. So fun. My friend, you are so much fun. So cute. Here's one. Life's a Stitch. Isn't that funny? I love that stamp set. I think that one's so funny. It's just so cute. And then here's a cute one. Prayers, Hope, Love. Isn't that beautiful? I'm sorry, Prayers, Hope, Hugs. Thank you. I can read sometimes. And here's another gorgeous one out of patterned paper. Thank you so much. I just wanted to say thank you for being awesome. Isn't that cute? I know. I love it. Now, club members, you know the deal. I know you know the deal. Half of you have already clicked off this and gone to check out the shop, right? But if you're not in the club, you gotta go check it out. $13.99 a month. You would get a 15% discount off of all of these products, including the flash discount if it's still on flash. And a lot of times I see orders come through and they're not club members and I think, oh, they would have saved more than $13 or $14 on this order if they were just a club member. So you might as well become a club member for $13.99. Then you're getting that discount and you're ending up saving more money than you're spending. It's easy math, at least to me. Thank you so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.